This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah, before I get into the proper like whatever we have planned for today, I want to assess and understand like like whether I will be able to justify the needs that you are all here, right? For example, like you are all planning to take this session or the course. So what is your expectation, right? So that I need to understand. So that, because in that way I will be able to clearly give an understanding like what all will be covered and what all will not be, like so that we can set the proper expectations, right? So just to quickly understand the audience, okay? How many of you are from testing background? Just raise your hands quickly. I can see 3, 6, good, 9. So that 28 in the call, 27. So I can see 10, 11 hands raised. That's awesome. Like more than 50% of the people are from testing background. So that's really good, okay? Because then you already have that that I will say the mindset of a tester, right? Which is very important when you come into especially the testing related, like so the performance testing falls into, we call it non-functional testing, right? So there is functional, non-functional. We will discuss on that. Oh, is my voice not audible? Like Sidhu is facing some issue. Can someone confirm whether it's for only him or for everyone?
It okay.
Yes, you are audible, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Great.
Your voice is a little bit of breaking in between.
Okay. Let me do one thing. And just let me know if it's better now.
No, it is clear. There is no worry. It is clear.
I hope it should be better now, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Right. Oh, for Amit, it's breaking. So I think I can't help more. Maybe
It's
some
still the
network.
same.
Yeah. But I hope at least you are able to hear what I'm saying, right? Okay. So like this question is especially for the testers. Okay, like how many of you know what is performance testing? I will not say you have done performance testing, but you know in a high level way what generally happens in performance testing. Just raise your hands. Okay, good. So looks like there are around 15 plus who were having experience in testing. They also know a bit good amount of performance also. That's good, right? Like you will be able to grasp things faster. But as I said in this course also, we are not going from anywhere between, right? We'll be starting from basics and going to the advanced topics like bean shell and all. So if someone is not from the testing background also, they don't need to worry about, okay? For Chaitanya also voice is breaking. I think this some issue might be with the go-to meeting.
It's cracking in between.
No,
Okay,
that is
give
not
me.
your problem. Network is bandwidth is good, but maybe their side there is a problem. Don't worry.
Okay, for Tirupati it's okay. Tirupati,
Yeah,
for your
your is
side.
very clear. Your voice is very clear. No worry.
Oh, okay, that's
Maybe
okay. Then
their bandwidth is not good.
okay, got it. Yeah, right. So yes, now the important question. Okay, like let's try to understand in more in depth why all of you are here. So how many of you are looking for a switch? Just raise your hand. Okay, awesome. Okay, so most of you, I can see like there are a lot of hands in there, and that's good. Okay, then next question is how many of you want to increase the visibility in your organization or grow inside your organization? Just raise your hands. Okay, so pretty much. So all of you are mainly here. I can see from the hands there are common hands also. So basically, you are focused on the growth, right? Not only just learning something, but growing in the career, maybe in the designation in your own organization, or by showing the visibility in your organization, and then as switching, right, as or and how, like, is there anyone who had a little longer gap or break, like more than 6 months, 1 year? Anyone here like that? Kara is again, okay. Yeah. Preeta is there, okay. Anyone else? Okay. So there are two. That's fine. See, these things actually I really keep a note of, okay, because when I teach also, I will be lose problem with the go to meeting, I think, app. Am I audible now?
Now is okay. Yeah.
So sorry for that, all of you. Sorry for this glitch. I think there's some technical glitch in the application itself. Maybe that's because my audio is getting disconnected sometimes. But yeah, please let me know if anywhere I'm not audible. We can plan something out. Anyways, it's the session is also getting recorded. So yeah, if something you miss also, you can go through the recording. I will share it with all of you. Okay. So yes, so that's good. I could see 2-3 hands who had long gap. So no need to worry at all. This is all from scratch to advanced, right? So you won't be missing out on anything. And I hope no one is there from totally different background, right? Not from software at all. Is there anyone from manufacturing or something, like who you feel? Okay, Sharjun is there. Sharjun, can you explain from which background you were working, like, to get an understanding? Sharjun, I can see your mic is unmute, but your voice is not coming. You can type it down, okay? No issues. You can type it down in the chat. Just I want to know from which background you are, so that I will be able to support you well. Okay. Okay. Right. So yes, so pretty much we are good. Now I know the audience, like where, and the audience is really good, what I feel, because where and what we are going to do, most of you will get benefited out of it. And especially, and is there anyone above 8 years or 10 years of experience in testing? Okay, and Tirupati, may I know, like, is it performance, or you are into functional testing, like?
Yeah, functional and performance testing both.
Okay, so you know which tool? LoadRunner, NeoLoad, which one?
Both. LoadRunner and JMeter.
Okay, so what are you expecting from JMeter, Tirupati, from this class?
No,
If you
I
already
actually I'm expecting at least advanced classes actually. So we already attend the interview from long back. So nowadays everybody they're learning courses and they'll ask you different questions. So at least we need to, and the experience is entirely different while cracking the interview entirely different.
Yeah, right. Yeah, exactly. That is true because nowadays in the interview also you need some modern topics, right? Like Kubernetes and all.
Yeah.
It's not that easy to crack an interview without knowledge in distributed systems.
No, nowadays very difficult. Nowadays very difficult actually. Hello.
Sorry, am I audible?
Yeah, now is okay, but middle between your voice is
Yeah,
breaking.
just a moment. I will change my Wi-Fi and check. Maybe it's my, I don't know whether it's Wi-Fi or the problem with the application.
No, no
Just
problem with the application. Yeah.
yeah. Let me check once. Maybe if it fixes. Airtel is very bad nowadays.
Exactly. No,
I don't know why.
depends on the area also.
Yeah, yeah, right, right. Yeah, okay. So Tirupati, I got your point. Okay, so you're at correct place. But I don't know with JMeter if you are already advanced, how much I'll be able to
No,
justify
I'm not
your
that much
needs.
advanced. Yeah.
Okay, okay, then good. Yeah, then you will enjoy the journey.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah,
Exactly.
yeah. And anyone else? Anyone else above 8, 10, and who are Anubhav? What about you?
Yeah, so I'm into functional testing basically, functional and
Okay,
API testing. So
okay.
yeah, I just want to learn JMeter just to enhance my skills and just to, because most of the testing interviews are about like being a full stack tester, right? So
Hmm.
having knowledge on JMeter, having knowledge on API testing, having knowledge on functional testing, automation testing. So just to enhance my skills, I wanted to learn it.
Yeah. Yes. Awesome. So you are in the correct place because you're like you're not that much into performance, right? So you will gain a lot. Because why I asked this question is I have seen this in my batch, especially like who have some like let's say 10 to 11 years of experience and especially in JMeter and they come and they say that yeah they have experience of 12 years and they expect some advanced level of topics, right? Like maybe they want to learn some very different protocols. Like let's say they want to test a Salesforce application and how. So such things obviously we will be just learning like a basic things, but we can't demonstrate a Salesforce application, right? For that, you need Salesforce. So that so we cannot go with such niche areas like SAP, Salesforce. But we will learn how to do those testing. Maybe not like a demonstration, but more sort of like a fundamental way how we test it and all. We will be learning. So I just informed them at the same point that yeah these things, but obviously like if you're not from performance, there are a lot of advanced topics you will be like you'll see like Bean Shell, Kubernetes, Dockers, containers. You'll enjoy a lot, especially understanding how to analyze those, how to tune various systems, right, using performance. And the beauty of this course is that's why I said like if you're not from the software background also, performance testing is something which you can easily take up because performance testing you can say almost it is zero code. So there is no coding involved, right? If I'm repeating again under codes because many worry about this, right? Do we need to code something? Do we need to write some script? Actually, it is very much easier, I will say, compared to an automation testing also. You don't write a script at all, right? And also now with the available few tricks and hacks, only the Bean Shell and Groovy was the place where little bit of scripting will come into picture, right? That also you can now using some techniques which I will teach you, you can easily generate, okay? And you can use it, right? So we will learn this. So actually now in reality with all the AI and all, scripting has become see, there don't need to confuse with the JMeter scripting and the coding. Okay, what I'm trying to say. JMeter scripting is totally different. We will see it in extensively, right? But writing a code, there's no writing a code here, right? So you don't need to write a code, so no need to worry about that. Be free. Here, most of the work will be more of like a aptitude wise, right? Like let's say by seeing a graph, how do you find out there is a problem in your application, right? So those such aptitude skills is what makes you a good performance tester, right? And how you create a script and some basic tricks and hacks in correlation, parameterization, various protocols that are there in the JMeter. And JMeter tool itself is very, I will say very user friendly. It's even if you see LoadRunner and all, there is like a big C code. You will see a C programming code, right? But here in JMeter, you won't see that also. You have all drag and drop and all, so it will look very like it's very user friendly. And also JMeter, it's widely used as per the market and all. JMeter is widely used. You can say around 70% of the testing in performance and unit testing also happens in JMeter, because JMeter is an open source tool, first of all. So it is widely used in Jenkins also, the CI/CD pipelines and all. Okay, so yeah, so JMeter is like a key tool. If you are into performance testing, you should have. Okay, so generally, if you are getting into performance testing in your resume, uh, JMeter is surely expected. With that, if you have some, like let's say LoadRunner or NeoLoad or let's say some other tool, right, which can just like an add-on, right, you can keep it. But JMeter is must, right, because API testing and any end-to-end testing or anything what happens, and any organization you go, you have a leverage there because it's totally open source. And uh, frankly, LoadRunner and these tools license are really costly. Okay, it's not like some amount, right? They have to spend a good amount on that, and that's where JMeter plays a very vital role. And you have a lot of flexibility around it because you can custom change. You can make custom changes also to the JMeter because it's totally open source. The files are with you, right? There are various pros of using JMeter, and to give you an understanding of what is JMeter, this course will give you a full end-to-end understanding. You don't need to worry about like once you finish this course, you will be like any problem you get in your life, in your project, not life, sorry, in your project or any application that you're working on, you'll be able to script and run a test in JMeter. Okay, so that's my guarantee that you have as a JMeter tool is concerned. Now, JMeter is one side, so 50 to 60% of our 50% of the course will revolve around JMeter, I will say, because that's our main topic, right? Performance testing and JMeter. Now, rest of the course will be revolving around. So when we come into reporting, analysis, right, and finding issues, performance issues, right? That time you need to know that you need to have understanding of your application or the system, right? So that is where the test planning, test script documentation and all those planning stage documentations will come, that we will see. Workload modeling, right, how you model a workload, that will come. So many such interesting topics will come when you are seeing that. Let me share my screen. Let's not speak blind. Sharing my screen. Let me know if my screen is visible to all. Is it visible to all?
Yes.
Okay.
Can you give me
So
your brief self introduction?
yeah, sure. Yes. Everything is coming. Okay. So, after I got graduated from IIT Madras some years back, not some years, a decade back. Then I joined, and I'm also currently working, right, in one of the, I will say, top 5 words organizations. Okay, but I can't call it out now. But yes, I will let you know personally where I work in if you put a message in the chat. Okay, but you can just say like they are into electronics, right? I don't want to call the name, but yeah. So that's a hint. Okay. So yeah, it's a long year of journey, and currently I handle the whole testing effort in my zone. Actually, I can say. So even I handle not only performance, even I handle functional testing, also security testing, accessibility. Okay, so but yeah, and this is my almost like a hobby, or I can say a passion to teach, which I do in the evenings. And I don't have any other sessions I take, and no other work also I take other than this. So this is just purely due to passion. I conduct, and I only have this time where I'm free. But I'm always there to solve your queries through chat and all. Maybe you might not get the answer very quickly in half an hour and all, but surely as soon as I come online, right, in WhatsApp and all, I generally answer the queries and all. So yeah, almost with 10 plus years of experience, now it's crossing above that, if I can count 12 plus. So yeah, it has been a wonderful journey. Started with various roles, even had a good amount of experience in development and handle various architectural decisions ever. So you can call currently as an architect only I'm working, right? So yeah, it's a good journey, and we still work closely with the people to make our testing efforts more better, than introducing new tools, then making our team, even like we are introducing like chaos engineering and also multiple areas I get involved. But I am very close to performance testing because that's where my career started, and I have been in that for very long. Okay, so yeah, so that's the thing about a brief introduction about myself. And I will share my LinkedIn profile also. Those who ever want to connect with me, you can connect with me there. So that yeah, so that's the thing. And right, so now coming back to, sorry, I lost the flow. what was I saying? Yeah, okay, coming back to the topics. Okay, let me open whiteboard. So how many of you are involved in test planning? Any testing, let it be. How many of you are involved in test planning? Anyone? Okay. Yeah, so basically test planning is very interesting. Okay, so you will learn a lot of things in that also, and especially people who know test planning is very rare, if you see, because they don't get chance in the organization to everyone, like everyone won't get involved in such things, right? So you will get a chance to learn that also, and it will be really interesting to understand how the overall test plan is created, workload model is generated, and how you understand the system when you are creating a test plan, all those things. Okay. So let me give you a quick overview how our course will proceed. Okay. So whenever you are planning any testing effort, or when you are planning to do some testing, any functional testing or non-functional testing, you can divide it into categories. So I am just dividing it into few categories. So first is planning, especially when you are doing performance testing. Okay, planning. Then second is we have the scripting. As I said, don't worry, scripting here is not your coding. Okay, scripting here is your JMeter tool, the performance test script that you create. Okay, which is totally different from you write a code and here everything is drag and drop and okay. So no need to worry that when I say scripting. Then execution slash, then here reporting and analysis. Okay, so our course will also actually cover all these things. Okay, and in planning you will understand how to create a test plan, how do you create a workload model, how to create a script definition document. All those things you will learn in the planning stage. Okay, now in the scripting very extensively, because scripting is the most challenging part. I say it to everyone. Let's say you are doing performance testing for 10 days. Okay, out of that, 5 plus, I will say 5 to 6 days, or I can say 5 days goes in scripting. Okay, so scripting is a very vital stage when you are working with JMeter. Okay, so scripting you have to be really good at. Then in the execution, let's just say scripting is a JMeter. We will learn JMeter in very detail. Okay, and when we go for execution, we will try to understand how we can execute the JMeter in the distributed loads, right? Distributed testing, we say, how you connect your load generators to JMeter, how you run JMeter in non-GUI, GUI mode, and various things. Now in the scripting, to just break it down further, you will learn correlation, parameterization, and anything that you can think about in JMeter scripting, right? Even using various elements in JMeter, how to pass a parameter through a CSV file, how to various protocols like JDBC protocol, SMTP protocol, HTTP protocol, how to do a mobile app testing, right? It's totally different from a website. So how do you record a mobile application into JMeter? How do you record a normal application, a website into JMeter? So many things you will learn in the scripting phase. And in the execution, as I said, you will learn how to connect load generators, how to run tests with multiple users, what all things you need to tweak, how to tweak the properties files, different files, how to understand how to update the heap and all, right, when you're running the test so that the test doesn't fail, what else test setup you need to do, right? All those things we will see in the execution. Now, reporting and analysis is where we will try to learn more on the Kubernetes, Docker, containers, and so how do we learn this? So basically, what we do is we will script our application, which is on Kubernetes actually. So we will deploy an application on your local machine, which is Kubernetes based, and you will learn Kubernetes there. For example, I'll show you. Now, this is one Kubernetes cluster which is running in my local machine. Okay, if you see, these are the pods and all. For now, I'm not going into technicalities. We will learn this in very detail that time. So don't need to worry that when I say pod, container, and all, oh, what is it? This is just a demo session. We have not started learning yet, right? So all these things we will learn. And whatever you're seeing right here, it will be there with you also in your system. So nothing here will be theoretical. Everything will be hands-on. Okay, whatever you see in front of you, you will also be setting it up and doing with your own hands. Okay, and it will be there with you after the course also. You can just continue learning, right? It won't go anywhere. And at the same time, we will also try to understand AWS. Okay, AWS cloud. There are multiple clouds, but we have taken AWS because AWS is little common. But even I will explain you in a very quick way how the mapping happens. If you know one cloud, actually you can understand all other clouds also, because only the names are different, concepts are same. Okay, so even that also we'll see how things happen in the cloud, and how the Kubernetes cluster, when it runs in cloud, you will try to understand that pretty much things are very easy. Okay, when you there is this concept like Kubernetes, Docker, container, cloud, all these things are very simple things. You will get that point, okay, when we start looking into those. So yeah, AWS we will see. Okay, and only the AWS section, right, is optional. Okay, I'm not expecting every one of you. It's a small cloud overview which I will give you, maybe one session or 1 hour or 2 hour session, right? This is but optional. I won't expect everyone to learn that, or learn that means, sorry, to do the hands-on, because here you will have to create a free trial account, and they will give you some credits, okay, some dollar credits which you can use. Okay? So, and it's totally on you, right? If you want, you can do it. You can create the free trial account, and you can utilize it. Otherwise, you don't need to use it, because here when you are creating a free trial account, they will ask one like small credentials and all, right? You need to create a account with your credit card, right? So optional, you don't need to do that, okay, because you will anyways learn what I'm showing, right? You don't if you want to go deeper into AWS, yes, you can, but for whatever I am showing, you don't need to do that, right? Yeah, so Kubernetes, Docker, containers, these things, everything we will learn. Also, especially when it comes to analysis reporting, we will understand Prometheus Grafana, which is a monitoring tool, AppDynamics, which is a profiling tool, right? Which is very, very important, because if you just run the test, you won't get anything. It is more sort of like an ECG, right? How a doctor can diagnose that you have a heart issue by just seeing an ECG. Grafana is like that, right? AppDynamics is like that, that your application has an issue or not. Just by seeing those graphs, you can identify. And I will teach you how to do that. The patterns you need to observe. What are the important points, or what are the important sections that you need to observe when you're analyzing a graph and all. Those things we will learn. Okay. And all these things we will be always taking some real world application, okay, to study that. And especially when we learn Kubernetes, we have our own application. So if I show you, this is the application you will use. I'll show you the application also. I've already deployed it, but I will show you everything detailed step by step. This is just for the demo purpose I have deployed, but I will be showing everything from scratch again. Okay, so no need to worry how to set it up and all. So let me open this in the browser.
Meantime, sorry for the disturb you. Are you cover with Jenkins part also?
Yes, I'm coming to that only. Yes.
Thank
Okay, so this is the application which I have deployed, which is a microservice based application. There are multiple services here, cards, orders, catalog, front end, different microservices are there here. I will explain what are microservices also as we proceed. And these are all communicating using APIs with each other. And yeah, so this application we will use to understand Kubernetes, Docker, containers. We will script a JMeter, we will run the test, we will monitor it in Grafana, we will monitor it in AppDynamics, we will create the report. So starting from the planning till the report and analysis, everything we will do. Not only this, we will use other applications also. Not that only this, we will use Blaze demo application. Even for some things, we will use JPEG store application. Multiple different applications we will use to understand various challenges that we face. Right? Because one application will not give you all the challenges. So we need to understand various challenges. So we will use multiple applications to learn JMeter, not only one. Okay, so that's the thing related to the when we come to execution. Now, let me show you quickly. So, so if you see here itself, I have deployed Prometheus, Grafana also. Okay, even AppDynamics also we will be seeing. Right, AppDynamics is a very good tool for us to understand. And after all this comes the CI/CD. So in the CI/CD pipeline, we will see how to run a JMeter script or test in Jenkins pipeline. That also we'll see, but this will come at the end of the course, so very much end. So Jenkins we will see at that point of time. Okay, and in between will come the bean shell also. Bean shell and Groovy scripting will come. So we'll try to understand how the bean shell and Groovy works. There are some cases in JMeter where you need to use bean shell and Groovy, right? Some advanced cases that we will try to see. And I have some good amount of material which I have created for all of you, right? Let me share that. So this folder link all of you will get. Okay, once we create our private group, there will be another one group which will be created. So the materials will be shared in that group. Okay, so basically I don't share this, team does it. So all these materials, whatever we have, basically various PDFs, softwares, various scripts and all, and various things that we will use for our course, right? All these things are there in the this folder. Okay, and I keep updating the folder also. It's in Google Drive directly, right? So it gets updated automatically. You will get the link to download these materials and all in the group later. Okay, so all whatever I'm doing, you will be able to do hands-on, okay, using these materials and what I'm showing. So yeah, so if to say an overview, this is the overview. And yeah, so now I will quickly take some questions before I proceed further.
Hi Vishnu, this is Vikas. Sorry I joined late.
Yeah. Hi.
Just wanted to know whether if you're covering JMeter for web application as well. A very basic question, honestly.
Yeah, yes. So what you're saying, like, will we be seeing JMeter for web application testing? Is it?
Yeah, that's what I'm looking to have.
Extensively. Yeah, because you start with web applications only, then you go to mobile applications and other applications.
Okay, and everything like correlation, parameterization, everything will be covered there.
Everything. Yes. See, now this correlation, parameterization, all are like very basic stuff of JMeter. Okay, we'll surely see that.
Yes.
Even little slow, think time, pacing. Why I'm not calling these things are because it's already included. Even if I miss something, also you just say to me, sir, I want to. Sir, can you just teach me this? I can add that because those are like very simple topics. Surely we'll be covering.
Oh, and when you are starting your batch?
It will start from tomorrow. So this is the first demo session. Today we are here
Okay.
just to understand the course, understand all of you. Tomorrow onwards, tomorrow will be our day one. We'll start our course.
So tomorrow you are starting the time, and what will be that time? Will be the same, 9 to 10 p.m.
Yeah, time will be always same. It will be 9 to 10 p.m. IST, and only in working days. Saturday, Sunday, generally it's an off.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much, Vishnu. Yeah,
Yeah,
I'll connect
sure.
with I'll connect with Kumar. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, so basically, I get this sometimes some request to change the time, but the problem is this is the only time where I'm comfortable with, where I get enough time to sit with you all, share very peacefully, right? So that's why I keep this time. So 9 to 10 is the time which I have chosen, and generally I take at this time only. And our course will be totally 40 plus hours, right? It will go 40 hours plus the duration will be, and every day it will be 1 hour on an average. Sometimes maybe Kubernetes or some topics which are which needs a little continuity, right? That time it might go to 1.5 hours. That I will let you know before itself, like if any class will go to 1.5 hours and all. But generally it will be 1 hour. We will follow a strict stop at 10 p.m. so that all of you can also plan post 10 p.m. also, right? Something. So yeah, that's the plan. And yeah, it will run for 40 working days. Maybe lesser if we take 1.5 hours and all, right? So, but yeah, 40 hours is our plan. Okay. We will be covering, and it's not like we count the session and all. I'm totally happy to go beyond 40 also. I just want all of you to learn whatever we are trying to learn here very well. Okay. And I like it to be very interactive sessions also. So better to keep interacting. We are all here to learn, right? So there is no stupid question, no genius question, right? You can ask any questions, anything, be interactive, enjoy the journey, right? Speak like as if you're speaking to a friend. Yeah, enjoy it. Yes, recording will be shared, and what generally happens is all these recordings will be um, uploaded into a private YouTube playlist. Okay, so that playlist access you will get. Okay, so there you will be able to access the recording. These demo sessions will be available for all. It will be available for public, but the once the demo sessions end, right? Everything will be private in the private YouTube group. Okay, you will be added to that group. Even the materials will be shared through that only, that medium. Team will do that. I don't involve in those things much, but yes, all the recordings you will have. And the other thing is uh, recording access you always have. Even material access also you always have. So it will not go anywhere unless YouTube is there. I don't know. It will be there, right? So it won't go anywhere. You have access always. Only thing is, and also you have access to me also always, because this JMeter generally my course keeps. It's a continuous course, right? So I'm always there here. So you can always connect with me through WhatsApp or through call. My number is there, which I'm chatting right in the group. You can use that number. Even in your project, you get any issues, any problems, you can contact me. I can help you out quickly. What needs to be done and all. Yeah. So that's how the accesses and how you will be able to proceed with the course overall. Okay. So yeah, any other questions? Any general questions? Sharjun, you raised your hand. You had any doubt or any question? Placement support. See, frankly, if you finish this course and if you attend some 4 or 5 interviews, you will easily crack. Okay, I've seen that happening. But placement support, as such, I don't provide anything. But resume, I can help you to make it stronger. Even I can refer you to multiple organizations because I've been taking this course, and also I've been in the domain for very long, right? So I have a very long following, right? So I can easily refer you for some good positions. But again, it's all based on your knowledge, right? How well you are attending the interviews and all. But surely I will help you out wherever I can, okay, in whichever way.
One question.
Yes,
Can JMeter be used for UI automation within external plugins?
yes, yeah. We have a Selenium WebDriver, okay? Using that, we can do that.
So are we covering that, or just we are sticking to performance?
we will be covering that. But yes, we will not be covering very extensively, but we will be taking a small example and see.
Okay.
Yeah. UI testing we will be seeing. Not only that, we will be seeing how to do the UI testing, how to profile your UI screens and all. No, we will be seeing that as per performance also. Yeah, Preeta?
Maybe stop.
Sorry. Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah. Hi, sir. How are you?
Hi, Preeta. I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. Thank you. Sir, actually, I have joined from maternity leave. So, around last year of September. So, till
Okay.
now, I didn't get any project. So, my manager moved to bench. So, I am still searching for a project. So, internal, even though external too. So, my only concern is where I got on a project before maternity leave. That was a very simple project. So we have very high number of users. So we just take the response time alone with the JMeter. So there is no workload modeling, test planning, test executions, and all. Just I took the response time alone. Just gave the report sheet. That's it. So not much actual performance testing I have done. So even I have moved that team as from basic functional testing. So that was the quite difficult to learn again. So as of now, so I got around 7.5 years experience, total IT experience, but the performance testing was very less, around 1.5 alone only. So after
So
that,
if you when you are
I've got
trying for like whatever you are trying, like let's say a project or a switch, so are you trying with 7.5 years of performance testing experience, or like how you're what you're doing?
yeah, 7.5 years experience. Even though the
Okay.
I have attended more number of interviews, I can't able to clear. So the questions are very extensive, like scripting challenges. So without
Correct.
knowledge, experience, hands-on experience, so I didn't clear that interview. Even internal
Yeah.
too, they are
Yeah.
expecting more. Yeah,
True, true. Because again, your experience is 7+, no? So they will expect
yeah,
because
yeah,
with 7+, you cannot expect the questions will be totally scripting alone, right? They will
yeah.
be
Correct. The
from
engineering side also,
yeah,
performance engineering
correct.
side
Yes,
also.
exactly, right. So no issues. See, performance engineering actually, frankly, we are not covering here, but it's very easy. Okay, there are only few
Yeah,
topics which you need to understand.
yeah,
To like, for example, how to take a heap dump, thread dump, what are
yeah.
heaps, what is
Yes.
garbage
The
collection, and
garbage
all those. So, what I generally do is also because this question I get in every batch. Okay, so
yeah,
for that, what I've done is I've included around 1 hour session on performance. I will not say performance engineering, but the overview of what all things you need to learn, right? A lot of you can just consider like a crash course on
yeah.
1 hour
Okay.
on performance engineering because I have a course on performance
Okay.
engineering, but I take it only as per demand. Okay, so
Okay.
yeah, so performance engineering, it is a requirement, yes, especially if you're above 8 years and all. No, people expect
Yeah,
heap dump, thread dump, then Kubernetes and all, right? All these things.
yeah.
It's good to know. Not only good to know, I will say, if you are actively searching for a job and all, you should know. Okay, so
Yes. Yeah.
yeah, and I think after the course you will get more confidence also,
So,
because now
so
the thing
here,
is
what is my problem, sir? So, what are the theoretical parts available in the internet? I can learn that. So, but the practical experience, where I know to get that, that is the problem
exactly.
here.
You
Yeah.
will you
See,
will not
Even
get
because
that
JMeter
experience.
alone, they won't ask. Even LoadRunner
true,
also,
true.
they are expecting. Even though JMeter, I have learned.
See, again, the
But
main
yeah,
problem nowadays, what we are observing is even the interviewers, right? It's not a problem. They are
yeah,
more equipped, with, right? Like the questions and all. Even
yeah,
the person who is not that much knowledgeable, an interviewer, he also gets a very good amount of questions to ask and all through AI and all, right?
yeah,
So, so you have to be really good at what you are doing. Then
yeah,
only,
But
and
you
not
are not
only AI.
getting 20 years also. You will not get that much of experience.
Correct.
Why?
Yeah,
Because
but
interview
yeah,
tracking is different and practical is different. Inside that,
true,
very
true.
less experience, but you
Yes.
need to crack the interview. That is the
Yeah.
main thing.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And the main thing here is, see, you cannot see, especially now a person who is working for 10, 12, 15 years in something, okay, by just
Yeah.
some technical words itself, he will come to know that whether you have really worked on it or not.
Correct. Yeah.
Okay,
I
so,
understood
so
few
yeah,
interviews from that.
exactly. And especially I have seen, though this is a very straightforward question, this little
Yeah.
slop, right? Many people get stuck.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, because, but it's a very easy, very straightforward thing. Easily you can learn. But many times, even people with 9 years, 10 years experience also, they make a blunder there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah. So again, I said like all these things will be covered in the course. You don't need to worry.
Okay.
But the
Okay.
main thing, I feel that you will get from the course is the confidence, right?
Okay.
Interview, that is what you need more, right, to crack.
Yes.
Because
Yes.
if you don't have confidence, the confidence your YouTube videos or the tutorials cannot give you, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
For the confidence, you need to know some real world challenges, how you need to answer
Correct.
the
So
interviews,
the
right? All
most
those.
of the questions will be like that only. The scenario based scripting
Yes.
challenges, kind of the
Yes.
things only.
Yeah. So that's why when we see correlation and all, I simulate various problems and show you. Okay.
Okay.
Then similarly, little slow when we learn, I give
Mm-hmm.
various ways that question might come, right? Like
Yeah.
how you find various think time, pacing, and all those stuff.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
yeah, so we will learn a lot of stuff. Okay, so you will enjoy,
Okay. Okay.
and
Sir,
I
and
feel
one more
you will
thing.
also get a project or a job soon, maybe in 1 or
Okay.
2 months. Yeah.
Okay. So one more suggestion, like
Yeah.
can you provide that kind of interview questions like
Actually, nowadays it is
setup?
very obsolete to give you that, but I can give you, okay, because the thing is, uh, if it is a scenario-based question and all, surely it will be that interviewer's experience, okay?
Yeah.
It will not
Okay.
come from what my experience is, right? And
Okay.
if it is a general question, obviously you will get it online also, right? But
Mm,
ultimately, surely I will give you some questions to prepare on. But what I feel is more than questions, I will give you topics to prepare on. Okay,
okay.
so that will be more better because from that anything comes, you'll be able to answer.
Okay.
Okay, yeah.
Okay.
Even in the course also, we will be covering various topics. I will be sharing multiple materials to go in depth into some topics also, which you can do. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
yeah.
Sir,
But
if I
surely,
can't
I
able
will
to
share it.
join from tomorrow, so what will be the other plan? Like, so only the 40 hours of batch you complete, then only you can start the next batch, correct?
Yes, yes. Because I don't take two batches at the same time. I generally
Okay.
like to give full focus to one batch.
Okay.
This will run for 40 around, you can just assume 40 working days, right?
Yeah.
Around
Yeah.
2 months. So yeah. So after that only our next batch, and yeah, I will take generally some 2 weeks gap, 2, 3 weeks, just take a rest before the next batch. So you can say
Okay.
3 months it will take for the next batch.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hi Vishnu, I have a couple of questions, Vishnu.
Thank
Sure,
you,
sure,
sir.
sure.
Ganga
Please.
here. I'm
Yeah.
Ganga here. So I miss your introduction. So how many years of experience do you have, please?
So currently I have 12 plus years. I'm currently working also, not that I'm full-time trainer.
Okay,
Currently working professionally, and I also conduct corporate trainings. Not only this, I don't go basically online. So various organizations like Capgemini, Signity, Cognizant, various organizations have taken corporate trainings also.
excellent, excellent. Okay, so I have another couple of questions for you. Okay, do
Yeah.
you cover any AI tools in this session as well?
AI tools, I'm
Some
not
kind of
explicitly
knowledge.
covering, but we will learn how to use AI in multiple places. But I
Okay.
won't say specific AI tool. You can say
Mm-hmm.
GPT, Lovable, or something, right?
Mm-hmm.
Uh, but I will explain you how to overcome AI, how to use AI, right? How you can improve your productivity using AI. This that way.
Yeah, and one more thing. I have seen one of your previous recording. I think
Yeah.
you are going to cover one of the protocol that is WebSocket. Is it true?
Yes, WebSocket protocol. Yes, it's a chat
Yeah,
protocol. Yeah.
yeah.
Yes, yes.
Yeah,
So
I have
WebSocket is
seen that. I have seen that because of that video only. I'm going to join in this session actually.
okay.
Another one.
So for just one, you're going.
Tell
Okay.
me, yeah, please.
No, no, yeah, that's fine. Yeah, but it's
Okay.
very straightforward only, Ganga. Like you will feel like it's similar to web application only because there it's more sort of see how WebSockets work and all. Yeah, it will be interesting, but it's
Okay.
very common.
Perfect. Perfect. Another one for you. So, are you going to conduct any fast track courses here, Vishnu?
Actually, I have only this course. No fast track
Like,
course I have planned.
see,
Nothing like that. Yeah.
the overall context, okay, is a 40-hour class. If I divide it by at least 2 hours or 3 hours per day, so if I dedicatedly, so then it will
Yeah.
come as a 10 to 15 days of course actually.
Correct. Mhm.
Okay, so that's the reason I was
So,
expecting some fast track
so he will
course.
crack the other interview very soon.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
Fast track interview.
I'm in good situation to crack the interview. That's fine. And one more, Vishnu, do you have any limitation in the classroom saying that yeah, more than 30 members we cannot allow, more than 10 members we cannot allow like that, or any?
Generally, we stop after some point of time.
Okay,
Maximum we will. I mean, like generally the enrollments will close out. That basically those things I don't handle. That's why I'm not commenting on that.
no
Uh,
problem.
Team handles, yeah, those things.
Okay, so
Yeah.
in case if I join in this class again, if you are conducting after a few days another session or another classes, okay, so can I join in that class as well?
Yeah. You just need to let Kumar know that
Okay.
due to some reason, or even like, see, generally what happens is if someone joins a session and if they're not able to, as due to some unforeseen or some exception cases, right? Like, you can always join my next batch, but you'll have to wait.
Yeah, yeah, got it.
Yeah.
So also, are you covering any SAP protocols as well in these sessions?
SAP protocol, no, because I don't have a demo application to show you, but I can give an
Mhm.
overview how we do testing of Salesforce, SAP, and all this.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Okay, point noted. Salesforce and SAP, if you are covering, or covering means I'm not expecting the over full end-to-end
Hmm.
coverage. At least
Because basically the
knowledge
main
coverage.
challenge I will face there is I don't have a demo app to show you. Okay.
Yeah, yeah,
So
got it.
so I'll be sure, maybe verbally I'll be explaining you, right?
Perfect.
So yeah, those things.
So, and what are the demo classes which you are showing? All the application, it's inbuilt application, right? Within Isha Training is going to provide all those things. So, can we get those access or how it is?
Everything you will get access. Whatever we are using in the course, everything you will have access.
Okay.
Yeah.
One more that okay. The demo classes or web services which you are using, for example, other trainer are also using the same thing, or for you is different and other trainer is different, like how it is?
Uh, I don't think so because this is mine, right? My course. So whoever joins my course, I provide this, right?
Okay.
Other trainers, I have not. I mean, like, I don't know, like, I have not gone through their course and all much, so
Okay.
I don't know. But surely this they might not be using because this is what I am using, right? So I don't think so. They will be
Uh,
using. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you so much, Vishnu. Because of the your previous video which I have seen, because of that, with fast forward, I have seen that within 2 to 3 minutes of your
Okay. Yeah.
voice,
Mhm.
the way you communicate, the way you explain, I liked it. That is the reason I devote my time to join in this class as well. So
Sure,
hope
Ganga. That's
we'll
very
see.
sweet to hear from you.
Yeah, thank you, thank you. And one more thing, it has to be a good interactive session on the every day. Every participant has to be say something. It's good to be a participant end to
Correct.
end during this
Yes.
entire course, 40 hours course as well.
Yeah, and I'm looking forward to your questions more. Okay.
Definitely, definitely, it will be there soon. Soon,
Yeah,
I'll jot down all the questions and I will shoot you all the
yeah.
questions as well.
Hoping to make good relations also from this course after we finish. Because
Yeah,
generally,
everybody has to. Everybody has to. Each
exactly.
individual. So not only me and you, or if someone
Yes,
is
yes,
in the.
yeah. Because that's what I love of this live courses or live training, no? Because here you create those connections, those real human connections, right? Which is very
Mhm.
valuable, right? And also the knowledge that you get, the sharing, you won't get through some online tutorials or something, right? So
Yeah,
yes,
yeah.
that is the thing. Yeah.
Yeah, Vishnu, another one I have joined previously also one of the training session from
Okay.
the same organization,
Yeah.
but somehow I didn't I cannot say like, but I don't want to continue with that.
Okay.
Fortunately, I'm joining here.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you
Okay.
can speak to Kumar, whatever is there. He will guide you. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Please, thanks everyone.
Sure, sure. Yeah, sure. Ganga. Thank you.
Hey,
Anyone
Vishnu,
has any other?
yeah,
Yeah,
are
Tirupati,
you
please.
able to hear me? Yeah. So, like after completing the course, like how much of experience can we put into a resume?
See, like JMeter wise, you can put let's say 4 plus. Okay. Now reporting and analysis is where when you cross 4 plus years, if you say 7 years, 8 years, and all, reporting and analysis you need to focus more. Okay, you need to read little more also, not only JMeter, right? So if you are saying 7, 8 years and all, then I will suggest you should with this course you take one more course on performance engineering. Then you can say 8 years. Yeah.
See, totally, I am having 7+ years of experience. So,
Mhm.
like, it will not justify like if I'll put like 8 to some beyond the
Okay.
actual
Yeah, yeah.
resume.
Right, right.
So that's what
So I
I was
suggest
expecting.
if you have 7 plus years of experience after this course, maybe you'll have to take one more course on performance engineering.
How many courses do I need to join?
Oh yeah, only one more. That will, I think, most of the suffice your things. And nowadays, is database is also becoming very critical. Okay, so the database side, we will be seeing some examples, but you can go in depth also in that if you want.
Yeah.
Correct.
And apart from
Nowadays,
what I
no
have heard from
emergency
your
tech.
introduction, yeah, sorry, Ganga, yeah, let me
Yeah,
finish. Yeah,
sorry. I'll
yeah,
take a minute. Nowadays, no emergency technology stack is very huge. So
Yeah,
majority of the people are expecting many things. Also, project demands because of
yes,
this distribution systems came into the picture, right? In
yeah.
one project, LoadRunner, JMeter, NeoLoad, many things. There are couple of projects which I have seen. Multiple tools are using.
Yeah, right.
Okay, so fair knowledge has to be there.
Sorry to interrupt, Ganga. Sorry. Others
Mhm.
who have who don't have any questions, they can drop off. We'll meet tomorrow. Thank you all for joining.
Yeah, thanks, Ad. So before I miss that, Vishnu, can you tell me your mobile number, please? Somehow I have seen, but I missed that.
It's in the chat only. Like I'm been putting some messages in the group, no? So you can. That's the
WhatsApp
same.
group? WhatsApp
Yeah,
group, you
WhatsApp
mean?
group. Yeah,
Yeah, thanks. That's fine then.
sure,
I'll
sure.
I'll
Yeah,
communicate with you.
sure, sure. Yeah, thank you.
Vishnu, like while you were introducing about yourself, I came to know like you are also experienced into the accessibility part. So I was
Mm.
just like concerning like with like nowadays like as Ganga mentioned like many things are there like in the
Mm.
market and many requirements are there depends on the uh, current market or depends on the requirement to requirement. So
Yeah.
accessibility testing, do you also conduct some trainings? And I
Actually,
heard like yeah.
yeah. So generally, with Isha, I don't. I mean, like generally, I conduct training only with Isha. You won't find me anywhere else. But
Okay.
training wise, I take only performance related trainings because I have been in that from very long, right?
Yeah.
Accessibility, I mainly manage as a manager. Accessibility,
Okay.
security, and also the functional testing.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Fine. And one
Yes.
one last question. Sorry for taking long. So the courses or the folder which you will provide the access for the private YouTube channel, whatever you said. So the access will be given till what duration? Like after the course completion, it will get
It
finished
will
or
there. It
revoke
will be
or
there. They will not remove it. Anyways, it will be
It's
above.
lifelong,
Yeah, lifelong only. Yeah.
lifelong.
Yes, yes.
okay.
Yeah, yeah. But
When you are
whenever
coming
we
to
say
recommend.
life, everything has a limit also.
No, no, no. Every day you're open and you access that application. That's it.
You know, like
Correct.
what happens that
Yeah.
in every means I have learned from one of the institute for a different course, but they were saying initially they were saying for lifetime, but as soon as you complete the course, they will say like 6 months or 1 year only. That's why
Nothing like that. So no need to worry about that. It will be there with you. Okay. No need to worry.
yeah, sure. Yeah. Thank you.
And any such issues happens also, I am always there to help. You can just ping me.
Yeah,
Yeah.
sure. Yeah, thank you.
Vishnu, just one quick thing that actually I'm about to kick off one of the JMeter based web application performance testing activity this week itself. I'm working onto the strategy document, and
Okay.
just in case if I find any challenges, can I reach you in person as well?
Sure. Yes. Because just message me, give me some screenshots from your what you have already created, some scenarios and all. No. I will.
Actually, yeah, from the scratch, I do have actually LoadRunner experience, but never worked on JMeter. And this project is all about JMeter. And
Yeah.
I really don't know even how to install, how to configure JMeter. That's the
Sure. No
real
issues. No.
challenge, and I am customer facing fellow, so you
Yeah.
can understand my situation at the moment.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Sure, Vikas. Yes.
So yeah.
I'm
Thank you.
always there to
And
help. Just ping me. Yeah. In WhatsApp.
okay.
Yeah. Okay, so I think we are almost 8 minutes ahead of time, but it's okay. I like interactions, so keep coming with questions. Let's keep it very live. Let's enjoy this overall journey. Let's have some humor, even some good, maybe even some arguments also, right? Like maybe not with me, but yeah, uh, among the team. Okay, but I'm always happy to have.
Yeah, hi, Vishnu. I'm here to fight with you. If
Sure.
means friendly fight, I'm not going to physical fight.
Nowadays we get that reel, no, that they switch on that chat GPT and keep it. Okay, and they so I will do the same. I'll just switch on it and keep it in front of you. I'll keep my voice with that. Yeah. Anyways, so you can just infinitely speak with my AI model. Okay, so just
Vishnu, how can I get the recording of this demo session?
you will get it to the YouTube. You basically demo sessions. You will get the link soon. Team will upload it and give it to you in the group.
Okay, there will be an update on WhatsApp group. Yeah,
Yeah, in the
they
WhatsApp
will
group,
share
you will
link.
get the YouTube link. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. But only of the demo sessions. After that, they generally they create a private group, a private WhatsApp group. In that, everything will be shared after the group is created. Okay. Till that,
Sure.
everything will be
Oh,
available for everyone. Yeah.
okay, thank you.
Yeah. Sure. Okay, then. Thank you all, and really enjoyed interacting with all of you, and looking forward to a great JMeter sessions ahead. Thank you all. Have a good day. We'll meet tomorrow. Thank you.
Bye bye. Take care.
Thanks everyone. Take care. Bye.